everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be doing my November Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, I will put a link in the description box for you guys to check out. I will link all of the products that are in this box in the description box. So if you guys have any questions, check that out or leave me a comment. This video is not sponsored. I buy this with my own money. It just came in the mail today and I was super excited. I only put on, I was gonna put primer on. Hold on. I do know that I'm getting a foundation because I was able to pick my product and that is the product I picked. So I'm gonna put some of this Physicians Formula Butter Believe It primer on. I really like this stuff. It smells, it's like a mix between like coconutty and like tropical and chemicals. Okay, so like I was saying, I don't have any face makeup on. All I have on is that primer and a little bit of mascara, just cause. So, all right, let's get into this box. So this month, the theme is invite only. Okay, that's kind of cute. It's like pink and purples. And as always, on the back of this card, it tells you what the products are, a little bit about them, and how much they are. But I'm not gonna look at this because I don't wanna totally spoil everything. I kind of have an idea of some of the things I'm getting because I kind of already peeked in there, but let me try to find, okay, here's the foundation stick because I do want to put this on first just so that you guys can see what it's like and so that I have a little bit of makeup on. So this is the Stick, I believe is how you say it, foundation stick, refillable foundation and blender in a forever case. That is cool. It says it's medium coverage, naturally radiant finish for light skin with neutral undertones. So I got the color Paradise Island Beige. I think they had like some options online and I thought that this one looked the most like my skin. So, ooh, that does not look like my skin. Ooh, I hope that's not the color. I do have some Sunless Tanner on. I just applied it today. So, well, all right. So this is what it looks like. And then what? Oh my gosh. So I opened it and saw this. This is what I saw. And I'm like, what do I do with that? Yeah, the rest of it is right up here in the cap. So let me see what I can do without ruining it. Okay, well, there we go. I don't know why I just smelled it. It looks like it's a little bit messy. Ooh, it's really creamy. And you know what? I am not even gonna blame this on this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and blame our weather. It's still like 90 degrees here in Phoenix and I'm over it. It's November. Come on, Phoenix. I'm just gonna go for it and apply some of this and see what it looks like. Now, I don't know what the shade is gonna look like. Hopefully it is somewhat of a match. I think I'm just going to kind of put it on and then apply it with my brush. I do like stick foundations. Let's see here. Oh dear. It's got a very weird consistency. It's really weird. Now, the color is not bad. It blends pretty well. It's definitely, I mean, I'm just gonna kind of use the rest of this. I really like this. I feel like it's very natural looking, which is what I like. I am 41, so I have some fine lines and I don't like the really like heavy cakey foundations and I really like this one. It's super light and the fact that it's refillable, that's kind of a really cool concept. Let me look on the card here. Buildable foundation that helps to protect against the harmful effects of blue light. Oh, that's cool. It is $30. And it says the foundation case is recyclable and refillable. That is so cool. Wait, there's a sponge? You guys. Oh, for crying out loud. There's a sponge. My goodness. Well, you know what? I might actually use this for my concealer. Oh, dang it. Did it say that on the box? How did I miss that? Well, that's way too small anyways to use, I think. Like, I would much rather use the brush, but that's kind of cool. Kind of cool that it has that though. That is something I really like about this Stick brand, if I'm saying that correctly. They always have kind of like they always like have like a sponge or something attached. I know I have an eyeliner that has a little smudging sponge and I really, really like that. And I think I have a mascara that has like a little eyelash curler, so it is really cool. I think this is a cool brand. Put on a little bit of concealer and use that. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match. I really like this concealer. It's kind of like, oh yeah, it's got hyaluronic acid in it, which, hello, sign me up for that because I'm aging. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on. I don't know that I love this little sponge. I mean, it's a really cool concept, but it's a little too hard. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the actual sponge, but it's a cool idea, so I do really like this. In here, this is something little here. This is from Trust Fund Beauty, Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. So I think I've tried something from this brand before, obviously in my Boxycharm. Ooh, what? There's sparkles in there. That is so pretty. I don't know if it is showing up on camera, but there are like little itty bitty sparkles in here. I'm assuming it's just like a lip gloss. Trust Fund Beauty, Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. It's rough out there, but your lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks. And this retails for $18. Kind of smells like honey. I don't see any of the shimmers on when you put it on, but ooh, that feels so nice. Oh, that feels really nice. This might be one that I leave by my bed, like on my nightstand, and put this on before bed. Oh, I like that. Okay, cool. All right, next in here we have, ooh, it's heavy. Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner with vegan probiotics and prickly pear extract. We have a lot of prickly pear stuff out here because we have prickly pear cactus and we like to make prickly pear margaritas. Okay, this is really cool packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's glass bottle. It's just a toner. So yeah, it's like the normal little toner lid part. Wait, what are you? Is that like a stopper? Oh yeah, okay. I've never seen anything like that. That was like stuck in there. I'm just gonna put a little on my hand. It's definitely milky looking. I don't know if you guys can see it before it drips. Ah! It didn't work out very well. It has an odd smell. I don't know, it smells weird, but let's see what it says about this. These are always good to add into your skincare routine. I have so many of them though that I forget to kind of use them every day. So what does it say about this? Glow, oh no, that's something else. Glowasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. It says it's a new brand to Boxy. Okay, cool, I'm ready to try you out. Give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, blah, 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 blah. You guys don't want to hear all that. It's a perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. I need this. My skin is so dry living out here in the desert, and I say that in every video. I know I do, you guys. Okay, this sounds really cool. It's a vegan toner, improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. And this retails for $34. Next thing in here, I think this is what I just saw on here that I was thinking was that one. Are you sealed? Oh yeah, it's sealed. This is Glow on 5th Beauty Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Okay, I love masks. Got a lot of skincare, I feel like, in this one. Oh, it came with a little thing, like a little applicator, so you don't have to stick your fingers in there. Apply a thin layer to damp, clean skin, leave on 10 to 20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. What does it say about this? Dull, uneven skin has finally met its match. Brighten your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask infused with ginger root and taurine to re-energize skin and minimize fatigue, boost circulation, and help with rehydration. Cool. This retails for $30. Smells like a mud mask. That is what that one looks like. And I'm not going to try any on my hand because you guys know what mud masks look like. And then last but not least, what on earth are you? Unicorn Dreams Whipped Body Butter? Is this food or skincare? What are you? What? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, it smells like cake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna be smelling it all night. It smells so good. All right, let me read about it. AMNH Skincare, I've never heard of that. Unicorn Dreams Body Butter, scented with notes of pink cotton candy. Yes, This dreamy body butter smells like it will melt in your mouth, and it is a delicious treat for the senses. It's sure to bring back childhood memories of pink and blue clouds of decadent spun sugar, sweet lemon drops, raspberries, caramel, fig leaves, Sicilian orange, barba papa, lily of the valley, and powdery vanilla musk. And this retails for $20. What does it say? It's just a body butter, right? Apply body butter all over your body after you shower to, I can't see, to comfort and refresh your skin, I believe it says. My eyes are so bad. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. I don't want to mess it up, but I really want to feel it. Oh, it feels like frosting. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at how oily it is. You could definitely tell that there's coconut oil in there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's really oily. Whoa. Oh, it smells so good. That is nice. You know what? I might actually use that one on my feet. All right, you guys, that is everything in my box. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna put any makeup on. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I have a girls' night tonight, so I'm gonna go get ready for that, and we're gonna go play bunco. You guys know what bunco is, or am I just way too old? All right, let's add this box together. Okay, so this box was worth $132. I don't think that's bad. I am quite pleased with this month's box. Not a lot of makeup, but that's, you know what? I'm okay with that because I have way too many palettes. I just gave like 20 palettes away to friends. I just don't even know what to do with them all. So I am happy that it's more skincare-y. I like to try those things, and this lip oil, thank you Boxycharm, thank you. Thank you for sending me a lip product that I will actually use. And by the way, they kind of changed their whole like number system, I guess, on the boxes. They used to be numbered. This one's like C21111016BA. I have no idea what the heck that means. So you guys always ask like what number I got. Well, I don't even know if that's gonna help, but I'm really happy with this month's box. Let me know what you guys got. Are you happy with yours? Don't forget to check out the description box for more info, and we will see you all in my next video. Bye.